This is a response of Mr. Chowda Reddy to this endorsement in a newspaper article in Vijayavani News, which he comes forward and he says, if at all there is some error committed by me and my family members and we have encroached the land, we are ready and willing to give an alternate land. It's shocking how, my lord, they can come and make such statements when the land was never theirs. They're ready to return the land and to give alternate land now that they've already developed sites on it.
The Chowdhury man, I think your lordship is not heard. He is one of the honest MLA and minister in our area. It is not a government land.
My lord, I appear for respond number 5 in this matter. The
Complainant.
Please.
Yes.
My lord, filing a convenient synopsis.
Synopsis.
They're not fresh documents, my lord. These are all documents that are amalgamated for the convenience of. They already have
Convenience
these
compilation.
documents. Please, my lord. My lord, my endeavor before your lordships today would be to show as to why under 482 your lordship shouldn't interfere and why the investigation must go on. Now, my lord, I will go date-wise so that your lordships will see how the entire crime that has taken place from the year 1966.
1966.
Please, my lord, it starts from there. Now, my lord, I'll start now. The genesis of the entire case, my lord, lies in 3 survey numbers: survey number 11, 12, and 13. Now, my entire case is that, my lord, survey number 11 is a government land or grassland, or also called as Hullu Bani Kharab land, which is a B Kharab land, my lord. Now, if your lordships will take, my lord, the last document in the convenience synopsis.
Sketch. All
Yes,
right.
I just want to point out this first, my lord, so that your lordships will keep in mind the positioning of the survey numbers and how on top, my lord, your lordships see, my lord, the first 2 columns, the first 2 rows. That is survey number 11, which is the Kharab land. Below is survey number 12 and 13.
All
So
right.
this survey number 11 that is there, my lord, is the Kharab land. And in this, sites were formed and sold. So I just want your lordships to keep this image in mind, my lord, so that when we go through the documents, your lordships will understand how 12 and 13, my lord, were converted.
Survey number 12 and 13. So this
while converting,
for clarification, survey number 11 is B Kharab.
please.
11 and 12 and 13 is theirs.
Please.
All right. Yes.
Now, my lord, I just wanted to point this out first, my lord, to show to your lordships how, while converting 12 and 13, they have also very conveniently converted 11, which they could
also.
not have ever converted because
What's
it's a
the
big
extent of land? 11.
1 acre, 19 guntas.
All right. Yes. Carry on, madam.
This is all their document. There are no fresh documents that I've placed on record, my lord. I just want to make that clear. Document number 1, my lord, page number 9. My lordships will see, my lord, it's a RTC which points out the year 65-66, my lord. It says Hullu Bani Kharab. Your lordships have it, my lord.
Survey number 11.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, my lord, in thereafter, now on top, my lord, in column number 9 and 10, my lord, it also says Hullu Bani Kharab. This is survey number 11. After 65-66, my lord, from the year 66-67, automatically the name of the one Mr. Chowda Reddy starts appearing, who's one of the petitioners in this. But there is no MR, there is no transfer, there is no grant, there is no convenience. Nothing has been done in their favor. Automatically, the name starts reflecting from the year 66-67. That is there in the same RTC document number, page number 9, my lord, document number 1. After Hullu Bani Kharab from 65-66, 66-67 onwards, Mr. Chowda Reddy's name starts appearing. Subsequent documents, my lord, page 10, 11 are also the RTCs. Now, I would want to take your lordships to page number 15, which is document number 2, to point out, my lord, this is the present RTC as on today. Lordships will see, my lord, it's from the date 2021 till date. In column number 9, it again says government land, Hullu Bani Kharab.
Correct.
Yes. The name of the petitioner is not appearing, it's not reflecting.
Yes.
So, my lord, it's admitted that it's a government land.
That they also admit, convert agide anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Convert agide.
Placing the facts, my lord. It's not converted. They could not have converted it. Right?
Correct. That's
It's it's a Kharab land, it could not have been converted.
Convert agide.
These are the, my lord, facts your lordships will have to remember that as on today also it's a government land. And therefore the actions that are going to be explained to your lordships further could not have ever been committed prima facie. Now, document number, my lord, your lordships will see at page number 16. This is to show, my lord, that the current act of crime that was committed was when the petitioner was holding office. The argument that he was never holding office is false. Page number 16, my lord, is a timeline of is a timeline of events. Now, in column number 11, if your lordships will see, my lord, it's Chintamani Taluk. Mr. Chowdreddy's name is up here, Chowdreddy. Ombatne Vidhan Sabha, that is 9th Assembly. From the date of 18/12/1989 till 17/12/1994. Why I'm pointing out this, my lord? Because the argument was that he was never holding office. I will show as to how during that relevant time he was. Now, my lord, the next document which is important as to why he was holding office becomes relevant here, my lord, because page number 19, document number 4. It's the conversion order. 29/5/1993. So this is well within the time when he was holding office. He was holding office from 18/12/1989 to 17/12/1994. So, my lord, this conversion order is from 29/5/1993. And, my lord, the intention or the act that the idea behind this was 1993 document. They say survey number 12, this conversion order. They suppress the fact that survey number 11 is also being converted. Everywhere they say survey number 12, 13, which is precisely my case. Just because the land, survey number 11, which is a Kharab land, was adjacent to their lands, they have conveniently converted that also. And in every document they said 12, 13, 12, 13.
So 11 is never projected.
Is never projected, but it's converted.
Yes.
And I'll come to that later, my lord.
Yes.
19 and 20 are relevant documents with respect to survey number 12 and 13. 19 is with respect to 12. 20 is with respect to survey number 13, my lord. Both of the same year and same dates, 29/5/1993. Please, my lord. Now, my lord, after this, they enter in the petitioner and his sons, one Mr. Balaji and one Mr. MC Sudhakar, my lord, they enter into a partition deed. They, my lord, in these particular survey numbers, divide the sites among themselves. Now, in survey number, the other two people, my lord, one Mr. Balaji and one Mr. MC Sudhakar, are sons of Mr.
Chowdreddy.
Yes.
All right.
Who is also now the present MLA, my lord. One of the sons. Please. Now, my lord, in survey number 11, there are a total of 27 sites. But I just want to. Yes.
On the Kharab land,
Yes.
27 sites are built and sold.
Sorry.
27 sites are formed,
Yes.
houses are built and sold, is it?
5 houses are built, constructed as on today, my lord.
Yes, all right.
Out of 33 sites, 27 sites are allotted to these people, the present petitioners and their sons.
All right.
Now, my lord, I will point out the relevant sale deeds as to also show again how every sale deed that they have. Now, my lord, first, after the partition deed was done, the petitioner and one of the sons, MC Balaji, have entered into a GPA. They enter into a GPA, my lord, with one government employees housing cooperative society, Chintamani, to give the power to the GPA is entered, and then they give the power to this housing society to sell the sites on their behalf to the. Now, my lord, once it's a government housing society, only the members of that society can be allotted these sites. So what they do very conveniently, enter into a GPA, give the power to the president and one of the secretaries to sell the sites on their behalf. Thereafter, so I'll show, my lords, in this how in survey number 11 these particular sites are there, and these are those relevant sale deeds, my lord. At page number 38 is the GPA. Names of Chowda Reddy and MC Balaji is reflecting, my lord, in the first para itself. Now, page number 39 is also relevant, my lord, where it's highlight the portion to show that it's given in the favor. The GPA is given in the favor of the housing society.
Sarkari Naukara Graha Nirmana. Yes. Yes.
What is relevant here is, my lord, the names of Chowda Reddy and Balaji is there. MC Sudhakar's name is not there, even though he has sold the sites. But his name is
that's in the power of attorney.
Yes.
Yes.
So, my lord, from page 38 onwards.
That's the power of attorney with respect to all sites.
Yes. 53 till page 53, my lord, that's the GPA. 53. Now, my lord, page 54, my lord, is I've produced 3 sale deeds just to show how each one of the persons, Chowda Reddy, MC Balaji and MC Sudhakar, have sold these sites. And these sites, although in the sale deed it says survey number 12 and 13, these sites are actually of survey number 11. Again, the fact that it is survey number 11 is not represented here.
Yes.
It's suppressed here. Now, my lord, I'll just point out the first one, my lord, page 54, document number 7. Sankhya 56. So now, if your lordships will go to the last document that I showed, my lord, the survey sketch.
Yes.
Here. Now, 56, my lord, your lordships will see on top, it's under survey number 11.
Correct.
That's MC Balaji who has sold.
That's sold.
Yes. Now, but however, in the sale deed, it says survey number 12. So each one of these sale deeds, my lord, survey number 56, sorry, site number 56, then the next sale deed, my lord, is site number 54, which is also part of, which is at page 63, MC Sudhakar site. That is site number 54. That is also misrepresented and suppressed that it is not part of survey number 11. But however, if your lordships will see the sketch, my lord, it is also part of survey number 11.
Yes.
And the next one, the last one is, my lord, is the site of Mr. Chowda Reddy. Site number 43, that is also part of survey number 11 and not 12 and 13, which is again suppressed.
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, thereafter, the Tahsildar, my lord, next document which is relevant, my lord, is document number 11, which is your lordships will find at page number 79. Now, just a brief background, my lord, as to how the complainant gets involved into this entire, how I filed a complaint. The complainant, my lord, contests in the municipal councillor elections and gets into office in the year 2014. That's just a backdrop, my lord. I'll show the certificate later. Now, page 79, my lord, is an endorsement that is issued by the Tahsildar. He issues this endorsement, my lord, to show that how this survey number 11 was never granted to any government organization, let alone a private party. Second paragraph, unnumbered paragraph, your lordships will see.
Kacheriya ದಾಖಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ.
Great.
Yes.
Tahsildar endorsement to show that how it was never granted to any government organization or any. Please.
Yes.
Now, my lord, this is relevant. The next document, my lord, is important at page number 80, document number 12. This is a response of Mr. Chowda Reddy to this endorsement in the newspaper article in Vijayawani News, which he comes forward and he says to the when allegations were raised that it's an encroached land, he comes forward and he says, my lord, the relevant portion of lordships will find at page 81. The last two paragraphs, my lord, where he says that if at all there is some error committed by me and my family members and we have encroached the land, we are ready and willing to give an alternate land. It's shocking how, my lord, they can come and make such statements when the land was never theirs. They're ready to return the land and to give alternate land now that they've already developed sites on it. So this is relevant, my lord, because there's an admission by them saying that they have encroached these lands. Now, my lord, the next document would also be relevant, my lord, where the Commissioner of the Municipal Town Corporation, 10/2/2015, also passes an order
that there is encroachment.
Yes, there is an illegal layout formed in survey number 11, which is 1 acre 19 guntas, and also illegal khatas are affected to that extent.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, at page 86, document number 15. This is the most important document, my lord, in my considered view, in my respectful submission. It's a DDLR report, which is, my lord, which states after the spot was Mazur was conducted and inspection was done, after the endorsement issued by the Tahsildar and these admissions that were made that there are illegal encroachments on that particular site. At page 86 is the DDLR report where it states categorically that survey number 11 is encroached. Sites are formed, 5 houses are constructed, and they are sold. Now, this is signed by, my lord, the Tahsildar, the Assistant Commissioner, and the DDLR. The signatures, your lordships will find at the bottom of the page. Now, page 87, my lord, there's the same sketch, my lord, but it's also very clear that which is what survey number, my lord. So,
yes.
Which is prepared by the DDLR, of course.
Yes.
Now, page 87, my lord, your lordships will see survey number 11, 12 and 13 are highlighted.
Yes.
At page 87. Thereafter, my lord, there are a couple of communications that were made by the Tahsildar and the DC to the district in charge minister, who, my lord, also looks into the matter, and they come to a conclusion that survey number 11 is encroached, which is a government kharab land.
Yes.
Now, at page 92, my lord, this was also raised in the assembly in the year 2015, wherein, my lord, the revenue minister replies, Uttara, my lord, your lordships will see in this column on the right hand side at page 92, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. Where the minister itself says, the revenue minister, my lord, that the land is encroached.
Yes.
Now, the next document I've produced to show at 95, my lord, that how many total number of sites are there in survey number 11 and what sites are built, their exact measurements. This is only to show, my lord, that nothing could have been done on survey number 11.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, at page 96, document number 18, a show cause notice is issued by the Tahsildar, my lord, to the petitioners.
Yes.
To show cause as to why such an encroachment that is made and why it should not be removed. They challenged that before this honorable court.
That is 98, is it? Yes. This is Rammohan Reddy.
96 is the show cause notice. 98 is the order of this court, where they say that hear them first and then fast. It was nothing on merit. Now 111, my lord, 101, sorry, document number 20. Again, a notice is issued to them.
Yes.
To which there is a reply at 102, document number 21, which is again important, my lord, 6/11/2015. From, your lordships have it, my lord, page 100.
Yes.
From Shri Chowda Reddy, MC Balaji to the Tahsildar Chintamani.
Yes.
Next page is relevant, my lord. Now, your lordships will recall as to how in that Vijayawani newspaper there was an admission made by the petitioner that if there is any encroachment, they're ready and willing to give the lands back. Now, on page 103,
Yes.
now D, my lord, D para D. Shri MC Anjana Reddy occupied the land in question on Shankranti Day in 1950 with a view to acquire title over the said land by adverse possession. Here they say now that
Adverse possession.
on that day he openly asserted his hostile intention, and this is their reply, my lord.
Yes.
On that day he openly asserted his hostile intention to dispossess the government of the said land and occupy the said land to the knowledge of the government as well as the entire world openly. What is relevant, my lord, that
Yes.
they were very... Now, my lord, my complaint is at page 106. I've also produced it, my lord, which is also part of their petition. Document number 22. Now, based on this complaint, my lord, a preliminary inquiry was conducted.
By the ACB.
Yes.
And ACB finds that there is...
Yes. And the FIR, your
Offences.
lordships will find, my lord, at 126.
So the FIR is challenged here.
Yes. So they have just placed, and my lord, the citations also have placed, my lord, to show.
Yes.
As the hearing continued, the court examined a petition filed by a former Congress minister seeking relief under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in connection with a decade-old land dispute. The controversy revolves around three survey numbers 11, 12 and 13, with the petitioner contending that the survey number 11 is government-owned grassland classified as barren land and therefore cannot be treated as private property. During the proceedings, counsel relied on historical land records, official sketches and documents placed before the court to explain the location and classification of the disputed survey numbers. It was argued that the dispute traces its root back to 1966 and involves complex questions concerning land ownership and revenue records. The petitioner urged the court not to interfere with the ongoing investigation at this stage, submitting that the allegations require a detailed examination of historical documents and factual evidence. Considering the nature of the dispute, the court heard extensive arguments on whether the investigation should continue before deciding the issue in accordance with law.